Hello, children. Hope you all are safe and good. Let's start a class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, bless us in our online class today. Help us to grow in love and kindness, more like you every day. Amen.
Yes, today we are going to start with Unit 5 Division. Okay, so what is division? Division is nothing but sharing equally. Division is nothing but sharing equally. We are going to share something into equal groups or equal parts. Okay, so division is also called as repeated subtraction. So multiplication is what? Repeated addition. Like that, division is repeated subtraction. And the symbol for division is what? This is the symbol for division. One sleeping line and two dots on top and bottom. This is the symbol for division. So what is division? Division is nothing but sharing equally or making a group, equal group. So all the groups should have equal number. Okay. So and the symbol for division is this, and division is repeated subtraction. Okay. Suppose consider I'm having 10 apples. So here 10 apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to share this 10 apples to two persons. One is Ram and another one is Raj. So they both are friends. I'm going to share this 10 apples equally to both of them. How will I share? So totally how many apples are there? How many apples are there? 10 apples are there. 10 apples are there. So how many persons are there? 2 persons. So I'm going to share equally. So sharing means what symbol should I use? Division symbol. I'm going to share, no. So I'm going to use division symbol. And between what? 2 person. How many person? 2 person. 2 friends are there. So 2 person. 10 apples I'm going to share with 2 persons. So how many apple will Ram get? How many apples will Raj get? Okay, so that one we are going to find. So we are going to find the sharing. How many apples will Ram get? How many apples will Raj get? So now see, two tables. 10, how many times? We'll see two tables. You all know two tables, right? Yes. 2 into 1 are 2. 2 into 2 are 4. 2 into 3 are 6. 2 into 4 are 8. 2 into 5 are 10. Yes, 2 into 5 are 10. 2 5s are 10. So 2 tables 10 how many times? 2 tables 10 5 times. Yes. So the answer is 5. So Ram will get 5 apples and Raj will get 5 apples. So 5 plus 5 is totally how much? 5 plus 5 is what? 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have shared this 10 apples between Ram and Raj. Raj will get 5 apples and Ram will get 5 apples. So sharing equally. We have shared equally. Both of them got same number of apples. Okay. We saw repeated subtraction. Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Okay. We'll take this 10 apples. Same 10 apples. Yes. 10 apples. How many persons are there? 2 persons. 2 friends are there, right? So I'm going to subtract repeatedly till I get 0. Okay. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Again 8 minus 2 is 6. Again 6 minus 2 is 4. Again 4 minus 2 is 2. Again 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Till I get 0, I have subtracted. So how many times I use 2? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time and 5 times. So how many times have you subtracted 2? 5 times. So the answer is 5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, so 2 tables 10 how many times? Is 5 times. This is by using multiplication table. This is by using repeated subtraction. Okay, yes, I think you would have understand all these concepts. Now we are going to see the terms. What is that? Terms in division. What is that? Terms in division. Yes, terms in division. So in multiplication we saw few terms. That is, what are the terms we saw? Factors, and the answer we get is product. Like that, in division also we have terms. That is dividend, divisor, quotient. What is that? Dividend, divisor, quotient. Okay, so consider that is 10. 10 apples shared among 2 person, and the answer is 5. Okay, so here 10 is the dividend. Why? Because the number that is to be divided is called as dividend. The number 10 apples are divided into 2 groups. So 10 is divided. So this is called as dividend. And it is shared among how many person? 2 person. That is, the number by which we divide is called as divisor. The number by which we divide is called as divisor. And the answer we are getting is called as quotient. The answer we are getting is called as quotient. Okay, yes, dividend is the number to be divided. The number to be divided, and divisor is the number by which we divide. The number by which we divide is called as divisor, and the answer we are getting is called as quotient. Okay, one more example. 16 divided by 8 is 8 table 16 how many times? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Right, here 16 is dividend. Okay, and we are dividing it into by 8. Okay, so this is the divisor, and the answer we get is called as quotient. Okay, so these are the important terms in division: dividend, divisor, quotient. Okay, so dividend is the number to be divided, divisor is the number by which we divide, and the answer we are getting is called as quotient. Okay, yes, now take your textbook, page number 73, exercise 5.1. okay, see, there are how many balloons? A sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 balloons are there. How many balloons? 12 balloons. So share these balloons equally among, first is 2 children. So we are going to share this 12 balloons equally among how many children? 2 children. Okay, yes, 12 balloon shared equally among 2 children. So each children will get how many balloons? 12 divided by 2. And 2 tables 12 how many times? 2, 6 are 12. Yes, the answer is 6. Yes, each child will get how many balloons? 6 balloons. Okay, and next one is 4 children. 12 balloons shared equally among 4 children. That is 12 divided by 4. 4 tables how many times 12? 4 tables, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. So each child will get how many balloons? 3 balloons. Okay, and the next one is 6. 12 balloons shared equally among 6 children. Each children will get how many balloons? 12 divided by 6. 6 tables 12 how many times? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Yes, the answer is 2. So each child will get 2 balloons. Okay, yes. See the next question. Color green the balls that can be put in Ishan's bag. color red the ball that can be put in Zahir's bag, and color blue the ball that can be put in Harbhajan's bag. So how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So totally how many balloons are there? 18 balloons. So 18 balloons we are going to 18 balloons are there, and we are going to have how many persons? 1, 2, 3. Shant, Zahir, Harbhajan. 3 friends are there. So we are going to divide by 3. Okay. So what is 18 divided by 3? Okay. So 3 tables, 18 how many times? It is how many times? 6 times. So we are going to color 6 balloons, 6 balls as green, 6 balls in red, and 6 balls in blue. Okay, it is green, 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 green. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in green, 6 in red, and the next 6 in blue. Okay, yes. So each will get 6 balls. Okay, yes. See, they have given stars. Draw an equal number of stars in the clouds given below. So do the sum as homework. Okay, yes. I think you would have understand. We are going to divide into equal groups. That thing you have to remember. Okay, yes. And see, exercise page number 74, D sum. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. So see this. This also you do it as homework. They have given bananas and they have asked few questions. Read the question and answer it. Okay? Yes. I think you would have understood. Yes, children. Take care. Thank you. Bye.